corporate profits aren't as great as you think they are. A lot of people are feeling really great about corporate profits right now. They see the market at all-time highs. They do a very simple Google search. They pull up their U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis chart, those Fred charts that we all love, and they look and see that companies after taxes and whatnot making more and more money. The line just keeps going up. Everything is awesome. They feel great. And when I was a member of the herd, I felt great about that too and was buying in at all-time highs. But here's what I learned. You need to be able to do your own research and really dig down into the nitty-gritty. And once you figure out that once you take the after-tax profits chart, but then adjust it for inventory valuation adjustments, meaning without it, during periods of inflation, right like now, companies can appear more profitable than they really are because their older, cheaper inventory, which they had bought in the past, is now being sold in the current time at higher prices. Profits can be inherently inflated even if the company's true operating performance didn't improve. Beware. Know what the chart is telling you. Know what you're looking at. I also love the capital consumption adjustment here, which reported profits depend heavily on tax and accounting depreciation rules. Tax rules can distort profitability by accelerating or delaying depreciation expense recognition. I understand I'm getting a bit into the weeds here, but the details matter. And when you look at after-tax profits of U.S. companies and take into account these adjustments, the profits line is actually slowly heading down, so beware. What do you think? How do you like to look at company profits? Please let me know in the comments, like this video, and follow for more. If you would like me to manage your portfolio for you through interesting times like this, comment manage. If you would like to receive my real-time stock trades, comment trades. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. The S&P 500 up nicely as of the middle of this afternoon, so far making what I would personally call a weak confirmed breakout. Because yes, yesterday and the day before, by about 2 points, it did close above what I think is that very important level at 7,517. And then, of course, noticeably higher on the day today. So to give me a much better feeling that this breakout is truly and healthily, is that a word, confirmed, I want to see it come up even higher tomorrow. Because without that, we could come down from here and it could be another time to take some profits for those that understand that this bull market is not going to run forever. All the people that believed the emotional headlines that crude oil was going to $150 and $200 a barrel are crying. Here we are lower on the day again. Let's see how we ultimately close on West Texas Intermediate crude oil. We could make a confirmed break down below $93.09 a barrel. That is awesome for the short-term stock market. Obviously, it's awesome for Americans like you and I. How many times have I shared with you that I thought over the next 6 months, shorting crude oil could be one of the best trades out there? It is. Congrats if you're in this trade with me. All of those people that were so worried about World War III, the only thing that is ending is their portfolios right now. 10-year yield coming down nicely. Possibly, let's see what happens by the end of the day. We could make a confirmed breakdown below 4.54% on the 10-year yield. This is awesome not only for my long maturity bond fund position, which I have shared with you for a while, could be an awesome trade, and it is, but again, lower rates are good for business, good for Americans, good for the stock market. Bitcoin continues to fall as of the middle of the afternoon, making an unconfirmed breakdown below 73,974. If tomorrow we confirm the breakdown, Bitcoin can fall further. If we don't confirm the breakdown and Bitcoin kind of chops here, it could be a short-term bottom and an opportunity to actually buy some Bitcoin and make a short-term swing trade and go long. A little time will tell. Patience.